Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get X Premium in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right, scroll down and tap on settings and support to open up the toggle list. Then we tap on settings and privacy. And here in this section, we find premium, X premium. If you tap on this, it usually should load, but now it doesn't. But when it loads, you can just tap on subscribe and proceed by adding your credit card details and subscribing to the premium features. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.